4 ways to brighten up your home. Dear friends, a home can feel claustrophobic for many reasons. Low sunlight during winter, extensively surrounded by trees, and thoughtless construction are a few reasons that kill the vibrancy of a cozy dwelling. Dark corners rob a house of its life. So, living in a claustrophobic home is like barking up the wrong tree, where you literally struggle to get the bright semblance. Most of the time dwellers tussle to maintain a positive flow of energy for better health and a cheerful mood. It has been aptly said that an upbeat home keeps ambience and imagination get going. Let's see how we can do that. Large mirrors and faux windows. A home with no windows or fewer ones gives a stifling feeling. So, it's quite obvious that you as a dweller will suffer from an airy and sunny approach. However, by installing large mirrors against walls in your guest or sitting room, you will mitigate that feeling. Install faux window decals beside the mirrors, and choose soothing themes for window decals, such as entry to snow-clad mountains or a beachside with turquoise tides, because nature in any form looks stunning. In case of a low ceiling, do not put an oversized mirror touching the ceiling as this can distract you. Selection of colors. A house with abundant sunlight generally brightens the colors of the home. However, that's not the case with a claustrophobic home. So, randomly choosing a color scheme wouldn't mitigate the dark influence. However, there are fewer colors that can even brighten a dungeon because these colors are highly reflective in nature. For this matter, try using high-gloss pale blue or white. Whenever light falls on them from any source they reflect implicitly. If the same colors are applied to the walls, make sure they have high-gloss properties. Adequate lighting. Break the suffocating semblance by bringing adequate lighting into the house. You can do this by strategically placing light items, for instance, hiding the lamps on the bookshelf or using a pendant light in your bathroom. Provide your kitchen cabinets with headlights. Powerful lighting in the house will eventually highlight the value of mirrors, window decals, high-gloss color selection, and light-tone furniture. Light-colored flooring. If the walls of your home are painted in bold accents, then you must choose light flooring for your house. Whenever light falls on the light flooring, the reflection beams on the overall ambience of the home. Avoid using moisture-soaking carpets or area rugs as light colors don't absorb damp air. Not only this, light-colored flooring highlights the placing of furniture, green plants, artifacts, and your personal accessories in a valued manner. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.